Hey guys, so right now we are gonna be going to my parents' house. Damn, I'm at half a tank.
And in Grandma's house.
Yeah, so we're going to Grandma's house. We parked in the garage. Josh power washed the floors and it looks so bomb. Like, it looks so good. So yeah, we're gonna go and do that. I swear I don't like Josh driving because he always like messes with everything in this place. I'm like, bro, you have your own car. Adjust your own seats in your own car.
And then Mommy's not driving anymore.
Yep.
So Daddy's got her own car, and her house, and her truck.
Yeah. I feel really grateful. Why is it doing that? That Josh power washed the garage, because it feels nice to be able to park it, the Tahoe in there, because
and it's dirty, right, Mom?
Yeah.
And Daddy said I had to clean.
And we also power washed the Tahoe too, so that was cool because what is that? Sorry, I'm just making sure that it closed, because last time I left the garage, like the sensor was not working for some reason, and I left and the garage was left open. Hey guys, so I just got here to my second job. It's 6:07. Fingers crossed I actually keep this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in to do online training, and then I'll be done, so I can leave whenever I get done with training. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go inside right now because I have to be up there at 6:15. So I'm gonna grab a Starbucks real quick because there's a Starbucks inside, and I'm feeling really tired for some reason. I felt this way since earlier. I just think it's like the way I slept, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, so I need to go. So I will see you guys after, and I'll let you know how it goes. And yeah, fingers crossed I finish in like 3 hours. Okay guys, I just got home. It's 10:13, so I'm about to eat my bagel because I wanted a little tiny snack. And I'm gonna go watch a documentary with Joshy Poo and hang out and get as much rest as I can, because I start my shift in about a couple of days. So yeah, I need to soak up all the sleep I can before my life goes to hell. Hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday, so I have to fill out this application for my dad again because it's not working. Then I have to call some people. Then I have to go drop off this package for a customer for my Etsy account, and then I was gonna work on this tie-dye sweater for my sister's sister-in-law, but I don't like the way the tie-dye came out, so I think I'm gonna redo it, like buy another one. Like, I just don't want to give a shitty sweater to somebody if I don't like it, you know. So I need to figure out how to get over there and get a new sweater. I don't know what that sweater is. But yeah, that's pretty much my plan right now. Maddie is sleeping. I'm waiting for my coffee so I can drink that. I'm like super tired right now. And I also want to clean the countertops. It's so dirty again. It's so annoying. Like, I literally don't understand it. So I start my night shift tomorrow, but I do gotta go back in because I have to go back in because the fucking computers weren't working yesterday, and yeah, I need to finish my training. I was like really annoyed. Okay, I have my dinner in the crock pot. I'm gonna put it on low for 8 hours. So it's 9:30 right now. Yeah, so it should be done by 5:30, which is perfect. So what I'm making tonight is French dip sandwiches, and then you can, like with the leftovers, I'll probably do like, I need to start putting some stuff in the freezer real quick, guys, sorry. Tomorrow I'll probably make sopa for dinner or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot. So yeah, tomorrow I'll probably make sopa and quesadillas for dinner, and then what's tomorrow, Wednesday? And then Thursday, no, tomorrow I'll probably do the shredded tostadas, and then Thursday I'll do the sopa with yeah, the sopa with quesadilla, and then Friday I can do the chicken thighs, the teriyaki chicken thighs with broccoli and white rice. And then Saturday I can do, or maybe Friday I'll do the lasagna. Then Saturday I'll do the chicken thighs. Wait, fuck, what did I say? God dang, I forgot already. Yeah, Thursday sopa, Friday I could do lasagna, Saturday I'll do the chicken thighs. Okay, it's like later in the day, and I have to start getting ready because I have to go to my job real quick and redo some of the online courses since they weren't working yesterday, which is very annoying, but it's okay. So yeah, Maddie just got done taking a shower, and now I'm just gonna like try to do something with my hair. It's been like super oily and stuff, and I don't know why it's been like this. So I'm trying to figure out, it's not my shampoo because I've used that shampoo for like years, but like my hair's just been feeling super oily. And look how like overdue my nails are. Disgusting. But yeah, so I am going to start getting ready. Also, I did clean up my office area. That's all trash, and that is too. I'm waiting to trash day for it to take it down because our trash cans are already full. And then I just have to pick up those scrap pieces off the floor and vacuum. And then that goes in the sink, obviously, and I just need to straighten it up here. That is an Etsy order I'm gonna go mail out before I leave to go drop Maddie off. So yeah, I put a little company sticker right there. So yeah, I'm excited. Down below because it does have my number, but it just says that, and then it says follow on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna post these on a thing and hopefully get some orders in. Oh, and I was also thinking about posting it on my mailbox, like sticking it right there, but I'm scared that like we're not allowed to do that because we have HOA and stuff. So yeah, I'm waiting on that. All right, guys, I really gotta get ready right now. So hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm wearing my mama t-shirt that I made. I love it. It's my favorite. Whew. I feel so good getting out of the shower, especially like after washing my face and stuff. It's just like such a relief. But yeah, so I made this t-shirt. I think it's really cool. You can wear it with like a cardigan or however the heck you want to wear it. But yeah, this is up on my Etsy shop. So go check my Etsy shop out. It'll be in the description box down below. Yeah, I sell t-shirts, ornaments, anything really, honestly. But yeah, I would love it if you guys would support my brand, Nowhere But Up Co. I sent out my first ever order from Etsy. I sent it out today. which is pretty cool. So I can't wait until she receives it. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Oh, okay, I was like, why hasn't the money gone to my account? I guess I could request to deposit it, but I think I'm just gonna wait. Scheduled for November 30th. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait to deposit it because... But yeah, I'm super excited to have my Etsy shop. I feel like I'm taking it more serious now than I've ever have, which is awesome because, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna probably watch The Undoing episode 4. I'm barely watching it right now. It's Tuesday. Why do I keep thinking it's Wednesday? So that means I have to edit a vlog, so a vlog will be up for tomorrow. I updated what's in my Never Full bag Louis Vuitton purse. So go check that out. I got 950 subscribers, which is so cool. I gained 25 subscribers within the last 2 days. Pretty awesome. Anyways, yeah, make sure you guys go check out my shop, please. It would really mean a lot to me if you guys could support my little business that I have. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.